Want to talk about what will happen tomorrow, next week, or in the future? Don't worry, in this episode of Grammar Unlocked, we will break down the simple future tense. In the video, we will discuss how can we structure them and fix some of the common mistakes that we often make. Before diving, have you subscribed to this channel? If not, please do subscribe for more such grammar lessons. So, what is simple future tense? It is used to talk about things that haven't happened yet but will happen later. So let's see when we use it. We use it to talk about predictions. For example, it will rain tomorrow. So here you are predicting there will be rain tomorrow. Okay, so that's why we said that in the simple future tense. Next, you can use it when you're giving promises to someone like, I will help you with your homework. So you're saying that you will help him or her with their homework. Okay. Also, you can use it when you're taking spontaneous decisions like, I am hungry, I will order a burger. Here you decided to have a burger for today's lunch. Also, you can use it to talk about the future facts like, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. It's a fact, right? Now you know when to use it, and let's learn how can we structure them. We have 3 different types of sentences, which is affirmative, negative and interrogative. Let's start with affirmative sentence. If you want to frame an affirmative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by will followed by base form of the verb. Also, please note that use shall with I or we while you're writing something formal. Let's see 2 examples. She will join us for dinner. I shall return by 6 p.m. Here, not the structure, and here we are using the base form of the verb, okay? If you want to frame a negative sentence, you should start with the subject followed by will not followed by base form of the verb. Instead of will not, also you can use won't. Let's see 2 examples. I will not go to the party. They won't travel next week. Both the sentences are in the negative because we have used not with will. If you want to frame an interrogative sentence, you should start with the auxiliary verb will followed by subject followed by base form of the verb. For examples, will you come with us? You can answer like yes I will or no I won't. Will they arrive on time? You can answer yes they will or no they won't. I hope you understand how to structure the sentences, and let's fix some of the common mistakes that we often make. We don't say I will going to school tomorrow. It is wrong. You should say I will go to school tomorrow. So as I said, when you are framing a positive sentence in simple future tense, you should use the base form of the verb. And we don't say he will eat dinner at 8. Instead, say he will eat dinner at 8. We use eats when we are framing sentences in simple present tense. Okay, so here is a small challenge for you all. Please comment a sentence using simple future tense. Okay, I hope you have done. So if you have any questions about it, please do reach out me in the comment section, and also in the next episode we will unlock the future continuous tense. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel also. And if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends who need to know about simple future tense. Bye, toodles.